Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making curry fried rice. This curry flavored fried rice is a great way to use leftover cooked rice. It's so tasty and super easy to make. These are the ingredients. Today we are using ground beef, but you can use other type of meat such as chicken, pork, or sausage, whatever you have at home. For more information and complete recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. First, we are going to chop onion and carrot. We are using quarter onion for 2 servings, but you can easily double the ingredients. Slice thinly and chop. And we do the same for carrot. You can just chop leftover pieces of carrot or even use baby carrots. Now we are heating the oil in a wok or frying pan at medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and breaking up into small pieces and cook until browned. Add chopped onion and carrot and cook until vegetables are tender. Add steamed rice and cook further, mixing with the meat and vegetables. You want to maintain medium-high heat when you cook the fried rice. Add green peas and mix. Season with salt and some curry powder. Curry powder is quite hot, so please adjust the amount if you like more spicy or not so spicy. You can also add the black pepper if you want. Add the Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce and cook for a couple more minutes. Remove from heat and serve. That was easy. With simple ingredients you have at home, you can prepare a tasty dish in no time. Give this a try for your lunch or dinner when you have some leftover rice next time.
美味しいね。